Let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE's silicone case. This is the classic, baby. The classic. These are generally my favorite ones for all my phones. They are the ones that stay dirty the least and have, I think, the most optimal amount of protection. So let's get into this box. I have to tear this a little bit. There we go. I've got two colors here. I've got the yellow. What do they call this yellow? Does it have a name? I'm going with yellow. Oof, I do like it a lot. In the previous video, I did the clear case, and one of my problems with the clear cases is that they just pick up fingerprints. This does not. Look at that. That does not pick up fingerprints. That is amazing. And you can see the protection immediately. These protruding rings around the camera bumps. I'm sure there's going to be some protrusion. Oh, yeah, no. If you were looking at the clear case, I would get one of these. This is the jam. Maybe yellow's not the color for you, but maybe this navy blue is, which we'll have a look at it now. I love, it's so subtle. You know, this is the benefit about it, like official cases, is having like these really well, tightly designed like cases. The rim on the top here is also just like a millimeter. It's not in the way when typing. Yeah, it's so good. It's so nice. It feels so nice. It is hard. I think these are made with some recycled material as well. There's recycled plastic on the inside. But let's have a look at the blue one, because that's our way of having a, to verify. Here we go. Okay, this blue one is a lot lighter than I think the color on the cover suggested. Here we go. It is a minimum of 34% post-consumer recycled content. Post-consumer recycled content in the plastic. Very cool, Samsung. So obviously they feel very similar. You can see the recycled plastic on the inside here. I really love these cases. If this was my daily driver, I love the FE, by the way. If this was my daily driver, I would probably be getting one of these silicone cases. I do have a bunch of covers that I'm going to be taking a look at, and I'm going to be making videos specifically on each of them. Make your own choice. There are a lot of benefits to different ones, but having something simple, slick, nearly invisible, this is where the party's at. And to take it off, I thought that was a chip in the rubber. I had for my S24 Ultra, I had a rubber case that got a chip in it. It comes off really easily as well, comfortably. It's tight, but I find that like with the clear case, it's a lot harder to get off, and once it's on, it's on. Because remember, it covers things like the SIM card tray. So if you're taking your SIM card, off and on all the time, you don't really have a case that's difficult to come off because it can damage the buttons or whatever the case is. I really like this one. This is such a nice case. Damn. Silicone cases are the bomb. And also what's nice about something that isn't clear and easy to take off, this is just like a pro tip. If you have a credit card or something, or like a driver's license, and you use your phone for Samsung Pay or whatever, you could slide your card on the back of this, like inside, and then close it. Let me actually test that. I got the SIM card vibes, but it's roughly the same thickness. Yeah, fits in. So that's what I would. There is a little bit of a bump, I think. Is there? Wasn't, probably, because it's so flush with the chassis. But that's one of the ways I would use it as well. So. Good stuff, Samsung. Well played. These are very, very nice cases. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. That benefit that I was talking about with the card inside, it comes with one of the cases. You've got a case that holds a credit card. If you want to see that video, make sure that you check the box on screen. That's YouTube suggests. I'm pretty certain it's going to be that one. And let me know in the comments what you think of the S24 FE and which cover that you got at the end of the day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.